Hi guys! I missed you because I have not uploaded in about a week, I think, give or take. But I'm back with a talking twist girl. Oh, that feels good. I just washed and conditioned my hair and I used Aussie Moist, the shampoo and conditioner actually. I haven't used that stuff in years and my hair actually feels really good. Feels really soft. So I guess that's my favorite drugstore shampoo and conditioner. I ran out of all my other stuff. So I'm gonna have to go and restock on some good old black owned. So yeah guys, happy summer. Happy first day of summer. Today is when this is being recorded. Today is June 21st. Officially summer. Even though it's been feeling like summer in Toronto for quite some time. Oh my God. I literally just turned on the camera. And now I can hear these girls coming in here to harass me.
Hello?
Yes, I'm recording a talking twist.
Can't believe we made it.
Oh my God.
Ever seen it? South going ape shit. Sorry, I feel like this might be good lighting. You have no space.
You guys, they are so annoying. Like I'm literally trying to record and they just.
We made it.
Hey, but what were you talking about? Twisting.
Yeah, what were you talking
Anyways,
about?
actually, ironically enough, I was talking about you.
Really?
Yeah, because I was telling them that you just got an undercut.
Yeah.
And it made me want to literally cut my hair.
Hey.
But my dilemma is obviously because like my brand is kind of natural hair. So not that if I shave my head it'd still be natural, but like I won't be able to do protective styling videos and like I won't be able to wear my half wigs. I can wear full wigs, right? But like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm kind of torn. But honestly, I feel like I wanna cut it.
You can still wear your half wigs, you know. You just have to do the elastic band method.
Yeah, that's true. Just wear them as full wigs, right? What do you guys think? Should I? I'm thinking of cutting it really low and dyeing it.
Oh, but I couldn't dye.
Yum.
No,
I
you
couldn't dye
can't
it.
because
That's
you
what
just
I'm talking
recovered
about.
from damage.
You're damaged.
You know what? You see why I don't talk to them?
Wait, why them? I said yes.
True.
But you can dye it.
Huh?
If you dye, I dye.
She should dye like a 30.
I cut, you dye, I dye.
A 30.
No.
What's happening?
That's not what's happening,
Are you
huh?
dyeing it black?
No.
No,
She's gonna dye it like a brown.
like a color, yeah.
Yeah.
It's black right now. Like it's dyed black right now. The funny thing is I just washed my hair and I was like, why is my hair so dirty? I completely forgot that I dyed it.
Yeah.
And the water was like brown and I was like, when's the last time I washed my hair? You guys, it's Pride weekend this weekend in Toronto. I'm pretty sure it's Pride weekend everywhere.
Yes.
Right? It's Pride month. But it's Pride weekend specifically in Toronto. So we are going to be going to a boat cruise tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Saturday. So that's why I'm washing my hair. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair, but I know that I need to wash it. So to wash it. And then I also we're also going to the parade on Sunday. So definitely follow me over on my vlog channel, which is Toni and the Boy.
I'm employed.
Okay, you guys, the battery died. The battery died. Also, Keisha, come lower. You guys, this is coming soon, by the way. This is called the Keisha. And she's coming soon to ToniDaley.com.
Sorry, you guys. Sorry. I just do the most. Hi.
ToniDaley.com. By the way, you guys, this is my niece. Her name is Keisha. If you don't follow me on my vlog channel, she's constantly annoying me.
Wait, what?
Yeah. It's the Keisha wig will be coming soon. And this is half.
Oh my gosh. Hey guys.
You guys.
You like my hair?
This is a disaster video.
To get out the video.
No.
A disaster.
Okay, fine. We'll let you finish.
Yeah, I have to finish. Now I can't even remember my topics.
Okay, sorry.
About
Okay.
dying.
Bye, guys. Oh, and hey, you want to cut your hair off?
Yeah,
See, we're here to help.
Oh, I wish they could see my lashes. Can I get close enough?
Okay, go.
Wait, if you get close, I get close.
Can you guys see them? Ooh.
You don't need to get close. Okay, have show them your undercut.
Turn around.
Turn around. Ooh, oh, I love it. And with the puff, it looks so cute.
Okay, bye.
Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what I was using. I'm using the Main Choice Mocha and Molasses Anti-Shedding Remedy. It says drastically reduces shedding and breakage, deluxe strengthening hair fortifier. The only thing is I just read the directions And it says to apply to dry hair prior to washing, but I already washed my hair, so serves me right for not reading directions, but whatever. I started using it, so I'm gonna finish using it. It's very sticky. It literally does feel like molasses. Like, it's a very thick kind of consistency. And it says to leave in for 30 minutes, but as you probably overheard, the girls are hijacking me. So I'm just gonna put a plastic bag and a hat on and go for wings with the girls and then come back and wash it out. By the way, you guys, I absolutely love seeing all the talking twists pop up all over YouTube. So if you guys like talking twists, you're definitely welcome to like do them on your own channel. You never have to ask me for permission or if you can use the title. Although I think it's very, you know, it's very nice of you to reach out to me first, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Some of my YouTube besties are doing talking twists now. So if you love talking twists, I'll link them below so you can go check them out as well. My girl, Ashik1118, she's not consistent. I'm calling you out, girl, but she does talking twists when she has the time, and she's really chill. She's like literally one of my YouTube besties. I love her. So she does them. You can check her out. It's Lori's Life. We're definitely YouTube besties. And she does talking twists on her channel, and I like hers. Hers are really interesting. She spills the tea, girl. She spills the tea. So I like her conversations. And her whole slogan for her channel is welcome to the grown women's table. So, you know, she has a lot of grown and sexy topics. So I'll link her below as well. And more recently, my other YouTube bestie, Glamazini. She started doing talking twists, and I love it because she actually has locks. So she did talk and retwist, like her roots, which was very soothing to watch. Glamazini has some of the most beautiful hair like I've ever seen. Like, I'm legit jealous of her hair, and I love her locks even more than I loved her loose hair. Like, I can't believe it, you know? And she's probably one of the reasons why I'll never lock my hair, is because I know that my locks would not look anything like that. And yeah, I always used to say in the past that locks are definitely in my natural hair journey future, but the older I get and the thinner my hair gets and the less edges I got, the more I think that locks are just not in my cards, you know? You gotta just honestly work with what you're blessed with, and I gotta be realistic. I'm not gonna have a full luxurious, you know, head of locks. And my hairline is already fragile, we'll say. So, but yeah, unfortunately, it saddens me, but I don't think locks are in the future for me, which is why maybe I've been thinking about doing a change. Maybe that's why all of a sudden I want to cut my hair, because I always thought that I would start my locks later in my natural hair journey, which I am now. So now that I have come to the realization, I guess, that I'm not going to do locks, I think maybe I'm just looking for something to do that's, you know, a big change. And that's it. I have not much of this left, so I think I'm just gonna slap the rest of it on around my root area, since that's where shedding stems from. This actually came in a kit. It was their, oh, I can't remember what it was called. I think it was something boosting kit. I don't think it's sold separately, but I think you can still buy the kit on their website, which is themainchoice.com. All done. Oh my God, you guys. By the way, I got lashes. Keisha showed you hers, so I might as well show you mine. I got lash extensions. My first time with them, and I like them a lot. I feel pretty waking up, so that's always a good thing. Anyways, thank you guys for keeping me company. I hope you got a chance to twist up your hair as well, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.